Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today our topic is the complete Binance NFT marketplace guide. What you should do now. Before we starting our video, make sure that you subscribe my channel so you can get the latest videos. Also press the bell icon so you can get the notification of our every new video. Let's get started. With the growing number of people becoming aware of the NFT space, more NFT marketplaces are coming into existence. The largest crypto marketplace, Binance, launched an NFT marketplace with an average daily trading volume of $3.88 billion in 2022 and over 313,000 daily active users. Binance joining the NFT space in a huge testament to the NFT world. The Binance Smart Chain, like its competitors, work through minting or tokenizing digital assets. This means digital items are stored on the blockchains and allow users to have proof of ownership. The marketplace works using the cryptocurrency coin created by Binance to pay for the minting for NFTs. This is known as a gas fees. Gas fees are the reward miners receivers for minting an NFT where the transaction needs to be verified on the blockchain. Users are only able to participate in the NFT action if they hold BNB/USD stablecoin. The Binance NFT marketplace offers three distinct capabilities. The first includes a marketplace for the purchasing and selling of NFTs. When did Binance launch an NFT marketplace? With more and more hype surrounding NFTs, it is inevitable that more marketplaces will be launched as crypto-focused companies want to get in on the action. These companies are looking to make profit through receiving commission on sales, sell their own NFTs, and in the case of Binance Marketplace, the company can promote their cryptocurrency coins and transactions are processed using the BNB coin. What are Binance NFT Mastery boxes? As previously mentioned, Binance also came out with a mystery box, which is essentially purchasing a card from a set which super rare is the best card you could receive, but of course also the most unlikely to be received. This could thought through of us purchasing a key to unlock a chest similar to online gaming loot boxes. A unique feature that Binance added is the ability to hold the mystery boxes without opening it. The gaming function means that these unopened boxes can be resolved and could be more profitable than opening the boxes. Another unique aspect from the launch is the decision to only allow a selected few people to mint NFT. What is the Binance Smart Chain? Smart Chain of Binance is a blockchain that runs alongside the Binance chain and supports Ethereum virtual machine and smart contracts. It uses a proof of stake authorities consensus model. 21 validators are chosen each day based on the users with the highest amount of BNB coins and receives commission or gas fees for validating transactions. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. If you want more details, then ask me in the comment section, so I will make a video of the second part. So take care, goodbye.